we will continue to explain to you. I'm sorry, I have to transfer first the video because from the first, second, and until the fifth one, it takes almost 2 gig. My God. Okay, just a minute. Let me after he fix it, he put everything back and make sure that you are what you doing soldering on what you mean on that.
Tell them in Indonesian.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, After I fix the wire, I solder it back here on the spot.
Yeah, on the spot, that one.
So I made a little hole in the plastic so the wire goes through, because originally the wire would go inside the case, but I couldn't do it like that, so I made a hole and I put the magnet on top, and I solder it with the plastic here because the magnet has a little resin on it. So the magnet is on top and the speaker resonates here, but now the speaker has conductivity in the coil, so it's gonna work. And we just put it back together. This is the wireless antenna, and it comes together with this, and we fix it, the assembly. Yeah, should come back easy, no big deal. But I don't know.
You have the tape here, remember?
I know, but we should put a little super glue inside, because it's gonna come out real easy.
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure each little bit of plastic is gone if it's broken. See, if that like that happening, throw it away. Take the super glue.
Using the super glue, man. Active 101.
Okay, and put in the hole here. You have 2 holes inside. 1 and 2. Just a little bit, don't put too much. Okay, and we should be fine. Let it dry for a little bit, and then put the case back together. And there you have it.
Remember, this is
The hinge.
the hinge, man. Ini grendelnya ini. Buset dah. Yang tidak terbiasa jangan dah. Okay, patagan-agan.
And we're done. See?
Okay, now we are going to assembly again.
Clean up the rest of it, and we should be fine. We'll test the phone and show you it's gonna work. Before it didn't work at all. I mean, the speaker. This is the motherboard. Yeah. Jailbroken, baby. 511.
Oh yeah, guys, we tried to downgrade the baseband. This is one of our friends.
Yeah,
iPhone
the
3GS.
model number is 137LL. Didn't work. So we need to wait for a fix from Masanart. Even if some Android users say he will never succeed. So we still trust in Masanart. He's okay, man.
So we already tried to downgrade again the baseband. I don't know how many times. Seems like more than 8 times. We downgrade, we upgrade, we downgrade. It's not steady, and then we are stuck when we are making restore it to the baseband iPad baseband, and then you try to restore, it don't want to jailbreak. So if that is happening, you have to restore it like new. Don't restore or backup, no, just new, and then you can doing your normal jailbreak again, like usually 511 using absence. Don't forget about that. Right then.
Yeah.
See you guys. I'm continuing. Try to. Hopefully, I can reduce the size of the video after all of this. We clean up. See, guys. That screw is too small. Is too small.
Actually, it's medium sized. You wanna see small?
God.
I'll show you small. This is iPhone 4 component.
This is iPhone 4 component, guys. We have everything there. See,
The screws.
the screwdriver.
Look, that one is small.
Look, that screwdriver of the iPhone 4. It's stuck on the mic. This is the speaker. And this is speaker right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the speaker.
Speaker and dock connector.
And dock
No,
connect-
dock connector
dock
is-
connectors.
Dock connector is on the bezel.
Yeah. This is the camera that's broken, so we're marking with X. And this is small. See the screw here?
Those are for the display.
Woo! Okay, guys, let's try to continue with this. You ready to assembly?
Yeah. So first we put the speaker back. Should go in easily. Just push it like that. Microphone should go in first. Guide it with a little screwdriver, but it should go in fine. It's rubber, don't worry about breaking anything. Just be careful with the flex cables and just push it in. That's it. After you push it down, make sure you got the right screws back in. So there should be two small ones, like these ones, smallest ones you can get out. They come here. One here. And one in the other side. These are for the docking connector, because it's part of a flex cable, and if you don't put these screws back in, it's gonna move and it's gonna break your docking connector. Oops. Something's wrong. Yeah, just be careful when you put the speaker back in, because if you don't align it perfectly, you're gonna end up like me. And you don't want that. Oh, let's try it again. First microphone. And this time
You need to pressing more.
no, it doesn't want to go in the right way. Damn. closed it wrong.
So you have to open it again?
No. Just put this over, like that, over the other one.
Oh, down.
No, up actually. You need to put it up. And now it's okay. Almost. What the hell is wrong with this shit? Should be the battery. Anyway, put the motherboard back in. Just like that. Top first. Guide it, make sure it's in the right position. Don't forget about these two connectors. One needs to be like that. This is the wireless antenna, and this is
For the dock.
docking station. Oh, sorry. Forgot about the camera.
Oh yeah.
So the camera goes here, just like that. Same procedure. Push it up a little bit. Don't forget about this one here and the other one. And now push the camera down. Guide the motherboard, make sure it's right. Crap. Stop filming.